Hello everyone, welcome back to the Code Syndicate. Today we will talk about strings in Rust. So without wasting time, let's begin. Rust has two types of strings. String literals, that is at str, and string, which is the string method. In our previous video, we have discussed how Rust stores any data inside a variable in stack or in the heap memory. This string method type of strings are stored in the heap memory, and string literals is just a pointer to the data stored as string in the memory. This memory can be anything, heap or stack. The concept behind having two data types for string is the the str type is not growable, but the string type is growable. As string is growable, so how much memory will be required for string is unknown in the compile time. So it is saved in the heap instead of stack. Now let's see how we can declare both string literal and string method in code. Now to declare a string literal, we write let's name this variable string equals inside double quotes hello. Now let's print this variable to see if it is working or not. Run the code. Here you can see we have got hello in the output. Now this way we can declare a string literal. Now here the things to be noted is that you need to use double quotes to make this string literal. Now here this is a string literal. To verify this, what we can do is let's go to the VS Code. Here I want to show you a plugin that is this Rust Analyzer, which is from the rustlang.org. What this Rust Analyzer does is it helps writing Rust code. For example, as you can see here, we haven't put the data type of this variable string, but for our help, the Rust Analyzer automatically detects what the type of this variable. This helps us writing Rust code where we use multiple variables without explicitly telling the data types of the variables. In this case, as we haven't added the data type, but the Rust Analyzer automatically detects the data types and it shows in the editor. So by this way, we can now know that this is actually a string literal. Alternatively, we can also specify the data types here. It is at str, and this should work fine. Run the code, and as you can see, we have no change. Now, string literals are not growable. That means we cannot add characters or words after the string literal. If we want to add word after the hello, we cannot do it with the string literal. For this, we need to use string method from the standard library. To use this, we need to write, let's take the same variable name, string equals. Now, to declare string, we need to write string double colon from, and inside of this bracket, hello. Now print the variable. Run the code. Here you can see we have got hello in the output. The main purpose of this string method is that we can append or extend this string. Let's add some words. For this, first we need to add a mute keyword after the let. Remember that we cannot change or update a variable in Rust if we do not add this mute keyword after the let keyword. Now, to add words after this hello, we will call a method pushStr. PushStr. Run the code to see the result. Here you can see yours is added after this hello. Here you can see there is no space between this hello and yours. To add the space, we can either add the space here. So let's remove this space and run the code again. Here you can see we have a perfect statement. Now with this string method, we can declare an empty string as well. To this, we need to write new and done. Here we have declared an empty string, and thereafter we are adding this viewers in this string. So let's run the code and see the output. Here you can see we have got the wizard output. So this was a brief introduction to the string in Rust. We will see strings in detail in the later parts of this series. This is just a small demonstration. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video.